Hi there, it's the Baldy vlogger here, and I'm coming from you live. No, I won't be live, you'll be watching a recording. Alright, I'm not coming live, but I'm going to do something different this time. In the UK, we get these boxes called HelloFresh. It's meals, give you the correct ingredients, apparently. You know, the chicken or whatever you get, beef, pork, whatever, and the vegetables and the seasoning, everything. You just follow instructions, you end up like a master chef. So I've got a week's here, because the first week you get it quite cheap. You get 6% off, then 25% the next, 25 the next, 25 the next, then it goes to full price. So normally people just order it for a week and cancel. Well, I'm going to go through what you get for the whole week, and I don't think I'll be making the meals, because one, I might not be making them. But number two, there is no number two. So anyway, let's get into the box. Let's see what we got. So this is the box. So it comes like this. Let's open it. So there we go. We get dinner cards. Let's have a look at these first. So this is the first week. I'll go over the price at the end, because I can't actually remember what I paid for it, the first box. So let's show you what meals I've got. Right, so I'm sitting down now, and I've just realised I paid more than I should have, because I ordered Premier Recipe in a couple of them. I'm not actually sure. Maybe I need to look closer when ordering, but we'll still carry on with this, obviously. But don't get caught out with a Premier Recipe. If you want to get a box like this, let me know. Well, don't let me know. Just look in the link below, the description below, and I'll leave a link there. Right. So this is my prices. It's £19.96 I paid, plus £9.96. So let's say £20 plus £10. So, well, it's not that bad with Premier Recipe, I guess. So that's £30. £30 I paid for all this little lot. There you go, £30. Right, let's delve into it. Okay, I've delved into it. For some reason I seem to have 6 cards, which suggests I've got 6 meals. And apparently they do 2 servings per meal. So that means I've got 12 meals. I don't get this, but I'll show you what I mean. So this one, creamy double mushroom pinning. How do you pronounce it? I don't know how to pronounce these big words. I'll just pronounce the other words. Glazed pork meatballs, Japanese style sticky miso beef, Thai style beef bowl. Looking forward to them too. Chicken chorizo mushroom tagliatelle Alfredo. Can I be Italian? And another Thai green style chicken curry. So the one I'm going to be doing today is just the vegetarian option. So it's this one here. I should just put them away. This one here, creamy double mushroom pinning. It's rapid, apparently. It's rapid to cook it. 2 by 5 a day, 30 to 45 minutes. So it comes with all this ingredients in the box. I need to check the box and show you. Then it's step by step. You can get on your app, you can get on the video on your app, on the computer or whatever, or you can just follow these instructions. Today I think I'll just be following these instructions. Right, it seems quite a lot for 6 meals. I mean, I don't know what's going on here, to be honest. I'm new to this, so I'll show you what I've got. This is 2 people. Don't know what's in it. Number 29, 2 people. I take it the numbers. Yes, the numbers are on here. So that's number 19, number 3, number 15. I'm going to separate these after. Put them onto the thing. Show you them onto the papers. But we've got grated cheese. We've got chicken. 2 bits in each, pork mince, green beans, fromage, which still probably can't pronounce, mushrooms, 2 mushrooms, or different, and another mushroom, different kind of mushrooms, and the garlic, more beef mince, Spanish diced chorizo, grated hard Italian cheese, and some fresh free-range egg pasta. And that was the ice it all came in to keep it cool. I'm just going to separate all these out. Put all that into separate meals. Here we go. So I've got that Thai style beef bowl. So the rest of the ingredients will be in that bag. I don't take it out until I'm cooking on the day. Same with this. I'm not going to be taking stuff out, but I'll put it all separate as you see. There we go. And I'm going to be. I'll show you this one because I'm going to be cooking this one today. No, I'm not. Which one am I going to be cooking today? Where is it? This one. I'm going to be cooking this one today. We've got the grated hard cheese. I mean, it's different styles of cheese, and they weren't all beef, minced beef. Some were minced pork mince, some were pork mince, and some were beef mince. So that's that. The rest of the ingredients, I mean, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 there, and there's only 1, 2, 3. So the rest will be in the bag, and I'll undo that bag in a minute. I'm just getting all this prepared. I'll just show you. I need to put the stuff in the fridge now, so I'll get back to you in a bit. It looks like I'm ready to prepare my first meal, which is going to be the creamy double mushroom, because we've got 2 lots of mushrooms here. Pennin. This isn't sponsored by Thatcher's or Magnums. I just thought I'd let you know. So we've got the pasta, grated hard cheese Italian style. Let's make sure it's the right kind. Grated hard Italian style, yes. We've got mushrooms, and because it's a double mushroom, we've got 2 kinds of mushrooms. Pasta, garlic, I think that's shared between different ones. Cream fromage, red onion. I don't want to struggle in pronouncing red onion because that threw me. These French words, I don't know if they're English words. And we've got some balsamic, vinegar and vegetable stock paste. So it's all a vegetarian meal, this. And it makes two servings. So I'm going to use this. So at the moment it seems like I've got quite a lot for my money, but obviously I'm getting 60% off at the moment. About if you people are watching in Thailand, because I know I've got a few people who watch my videos from Thailand. This would be a lot of money in Thai, but we earn a lot more in the UK, so it's not as bad as it sounds. Right, let's get prepared. So like I said, with this meal I'm going to go through what I do. And remember, I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook. So anybody, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm going to go through this meal, what I'm going to do. The rest of the meals, I'll just show you them. Show you them cooked probably, and that'll be it. But this meal, and that'll be for the week's worth what I'm getting, all the food I'm getting for my money. So first of all, I've got to boil a pan of water up, which I'm actually cheating because I'm using the kettle and doing it that way, it's quicker. And I've got to get prepared. So it says here, half peel, thinly sliced red onion. I hope you are still with me and haven't disappeared yet. Thinly sliced the portobello mushrooms. So I'm going to do that now.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
There we go, I'll mix all that up. And that's it. Share your mushroom pinning between your bowls. Sprinkle the remaining hard Italian style cheese on top. So let's do that. Well, it's not bad for a beginner. Well, a non-cook. All I can cook is flipping bacon butties and roast chicken. So there we go. This is quite good. This is my first pasta attempt. Well, I actually attempted macaroni cheese and it was a disaster. I don't know how anyone can mess macaroni cheese up, but I did. I'll keep that cooking for a few minutes. I need to check how many. Let's have a look. My directions, instructions, whatever you want to call them. It doesn't say. But yeah, I've got to add the cheese. Let's do that. Add the grated cheese on top. So this is it then. This is what it's meant to look like, and this is it. It looks a bit different, but it's a bit more orangey, like there should be tomatoes or something in it. I haven't missed anything ever. I don't think so. So that's it. 2 portions. I shall leave that one like that. The pan, and I shall go and take this to do a little taste test, and after that, that'll be me over for this. So I'll show you the next lot of food, which you've got to continue watching my vlog to see the rest of the week. But it won't be me making it, just the end product. Now let's see what it's like then. Bit of pasta, a bit of mushroom. I'm not just saying it, but that's good. Very good. So that's the HelloFresh Baldy Vlogger. The Baldy Vlogger HelloFresh mushroom, double mushroom pinning. Correct me in the comments if I've said it wrong, which I'm sure you will. Well, I'm not sure you will because no one ever comments. But you'll say your head and tell me I'm wrong. I'm going to give scores for that HelloFresh box that I got that you've just seen. And the mushroom tagliatelle panini, or whatever you call that mushroom thing that I just made. I think that was a good solid 7.5 out of 10. So I'm going to go with the other ones that you saw in the picture. This one, the chicken chorizo mushroom tagliatelle. My score's down the bottom. 8 out of 10. I'll give that one for this HelloFresh box. It's Thai style beef bowl. Nothing like Thai style. I suppose it'd be alright if you live in UK, it might taste like Thai style. Well, I live in UK, but I've been to Thailand. So 4.5 out of 10 I'll give that. 4.5. The meatballs were okay. They were bulgogi. I don't know whether that is it. And jasmine rice and all that. They were okay, but nothing special. 7 out of 10. I guess we could have made them ourselves. Japanese style miso beef. I'm being actually generous here. I'm being very generous, and I've given that a 5. Maybe it surely be a 3 or something. The ultimate Thai green style chicken curry. I'm giving that a 6. It didn't taste anything like Thai really, to be honest. So overall, the HelloFresh box, I've been getting it for 3 weeks now, and I'm getting a bit bored with it now. I'm just going to start making my own. So I've got 3 boxes. It was alright to start with. It's good fun cooking it and all that, but I'm getting a bit fed up with it now. I'm just going back to my own meals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and follow, like, ring the bell, something like that. Bye bye, the Baldy Vlogger. Do you like my new white suit? Comment in the comments below.